and welcome. Today's video we are talking Boxycharm sneak peeks for March. We've got confirmation on some things that we were really hoping for. So if you're excited for today's video, so am I. Give me a big thumbs up, stick around, subscribe. I love doing these videos for you guys, and thank you to those of you who also send me little comments over in the community section letting me know, like, hey, there's another sneak peek out there, all of that. So if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace a hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we love to talk about Boxycharm sneak peek spoilers. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so we are talking about the BoxyLuxe for March. Now BoxyLuxe is a quarterly subscription. The months that BoxyLuxe does come out, we don't see a base box. Meaning, if you already see the base box and you sign up for the Luxe box, you won't be getting the base box that month. Just trying to cover that in the past couple of videos because a lot of people have questions. However, I also get another question that you want the base and the Luxe. What can I do? What you're gonna have to do is set up a separate account for only the base box kind of dealio, so you can make sure to get the base box on the months that we're getting the Luxe box. I hope maybe they change that in the future. I think that would be awesome because I hear so much that you guys want all of the boxes. And I'm right there with you all, but just keep in mind, we do have Boxy pop-up. So even if you're not getting the BoxyLuxe, a lot of the times you can shop those products in Boxy pop-up or in Boxy add-ons. So do you really need it? I don't know. I'm really not a good salesperson, I'm just saying. Anyways guys, when it comes to the BoxyLuxe, it's gonna run you about $49.99, and you guys, you get like $275 worth of goodies in here, and you do get to customize some of the items in here as well. Now we don't know what the choices are just yet, but I will tell you the day to get in there and to make your choices for all the boxes, because Boxycharm listened. A lot of you guys said, hey, I'm over multiple days to make my choices. Just make it one day. I can't. So that's what they're doing. So on February 8th at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that's when you're going to be able to get in and make your choices, whether it be a base or a premium or even the Luxe box. So mark your calendars, and right after that, yes y'all, you're going to get to do your shopping, which that can get your girl in some trouble. Okay, so let's start off. I don't have like a ton of information on the Luxe, but I had to jump on here and tell you what we've heard the latest sneaky peeky are for the BoxyLuxe. The first one being the Fenty Beauty foundation. So let me tell you a little bit about this Fenty Beauty foundation. You guys, this came out, I want to say in like 2017, 2018, and this foundation is one that I hear a lot of people say, even with dry skin, it looks really good on their skin. So the foundation that a lot of us had been curious about, and honestly last year when they did a Boxycharm takeover for the premium box, a lot of people were requesting, we want to see the foundation, like give us the foundation. And now we're seeing more complexion products, and now we're going to get to see the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Now you guys, there's like 50 shades to choose from, and Joe went live, or Joe posted, I shouldn't say live, Joe posted a video talking about how to find your perfect match when it came to the Fenty Beauty foundation. I don't know why I can't get my words out. Maybe because this is like the fourth video of the day, so everything's blurring together. But if you go to Fenty Beauty's website, they actually do have a quiz that you can take. I took the quiz and it runs through everything, and I definitely recommend taking that quiz, because when the choice opens on February 8th, you want to make sure you've got the perfect shade. The quiz is super easy to take. It's really quick, so it's not like 100 questions and it's going to take 10 minutes. It's really quick. It's really easy. A little information about this foundation. It does have a retail value of $35, and it does say, I'm on Sephora's website, it says it's a soft matte long wear foundation with a buildable medium to full coverage, and a lot of people have this in their Sephora VIB recommendations video, talking about how wonderful, easy this foundation is, and it's like the best shade match they've had in a very long time. So it is a full coverage matte foundation. It's good for normal combination and oily skin. But again, I've heard people with dry skin have this one be one of their favorite foundations. I'm just gonna apologize, guys. I really don't know why I'm tripping over my words. I don't know what's going on with me. So that is the first item that we know 100% that is going to be one of the choice items. Now, what had me really excited is, you guys know for a bit, your girl's been asking, where's that Glow Recipe plum? Where is it? We've seen it multiple times in the background. What's going on? So what we do know is, wait, what was I talking about? Oh my god. Wow, that was weird. Okay. I'm looking at other pictures, guys. Real life, mom life. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anywho, Joe went and posted, it'll be a couple days by the time this video goes up, but he posted walking through the airport, and I'll play his video.
You remember the serum from Glow Recipe? Everyone's getting it in Lux.
So of course, everybody was excited, like everybody was excited over hearing, thank God we're finally going to see this in our BoxyLuxe. Now you're probably wondering what exactly this is. Why is everyone so excited about it? Well, one, it's Glow Recipe, so need I say more there? But little information about this. Again, I'm pulling it straight from Sephora's website. This does have a retail value of $42, and the details on this is, it is a hydrating serum with juicy plum and 5 weights of hyaluronic acid that fills skin with hydration and a visibly plump effect. I mean, you guys, I love hyaluronic acid. I talk about it all the time. So it's a lightweight serum. It's great for dryness, loss of firmness, elasticity, fine lines and wrinkles. It's good for normal, dry combination and oily skin. I'm excited to see this. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below as far as that goes. Again, February 8th, big day, mark your calendars. If you are new to Boxycharm and you want to sign up, as of the day I am filming this, if you sign up, you will be able to get this HAILEY'S, I'll have a picture over here, eyeshadow palette, and a $10 credit for Boxy pop-up. Now, again, that is what's live right now when I am filming this on Monday, February 1st. You guys probably aren't going to see this video until a little bit later in the week, but that, if there's any other new coupons, I will definitely make sure to leave it in the comment down below, or comment section down below. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link available down there as well. It's an affiliate link, just letting you guys know, so I do earn a little bit of a commission if you guys do sign up using my link. Now, we have seen some other spoilers, or potential spoilers for February or March, what have you. So I just wanted to go ahead and talk about those items in today's video, because again, as of the day I'm filming this, they were not confirmed. Let's talk about the first one. I have it sitting right here. I actually use it and I love it. Okay, so Joe actually posted a picture, and again, I'll have the picture over here, of a bunch of different items sitting on his desk. And again, you guys and your CSI skills, let us know exactly what we're seeing. One of them, which I knew because I have it and I love it, is the Rose and Quartz hair mask. Now, this was available a while back in like Boxy pop-up, and they actually sent it to me, and you guys, this has been the deep conditioner mask that I have used since I received that one. This is my favorite go-to. Matter of fact, last Boxy pop-up or add-on, whatever it was, I picked up 4 of these, maybe even 5 or 6. Let's just say your girl's got a year's worth. My hair loves this stuff. It is a hair mask. You will get 10 fluid ounces in here, and it does have a really nice light rose scent to it. but it is amazing. Like the hydration that you get is unreal. And this is coming from a girl that has brittle dry hair because of her thyroid and autoimmune issues. This has been my go-to, like literally my go-to, like not even Briogeo, this one. So this is going to be potentially available maybe in BoxyLuxe, not 100%. I'm not 100% what we're going to see this in, but it was sitting on his table, so it will hopefully be seen very, very soon. Some other items that we are seeing in this picture is the Lime Crime palette. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this particular palette. From the looks of it, this is called the Venus 3 It says Eye and Face palette. Does have a retail value of $38. I'm over at Ulta's website, and I swear I have that somewhere in my collection. I'll have to like dig it out and maybe do like a get ready with me or something using it. But it says the Venus 3 Eye and Face palette is a heavenly sister to the Grunge Shadow palette. Happy pops of purple and pink, but the crowning touch on the perfect light to medium tone range to flatter all skin tones. This palette includes 8 shades, 5 different finishes, 1 swipe coverage, designed for eyes, cheek, and face. So again, let me know you guys' thoughts on that. We're seeing some other items in here. Of course, we're seeing the Fenty, we're seeing the Glow Recipe, we saw the Rose and Quartz. There was a couple questionable items in there, specifically that NARS palette. Nobody seems to be 100% sure if this is going to be a blush and cheek. That's the same thing. A blush palette, a powder, a bronzer, like what is it? So that a lot of people are wondering about. The other item in there that we are seeing again is by HAILEY'S, and this is, I feel like the makeup brush that took over TikTok last year. Everybody was talking about it. A lot of knockoffs. We saw a lot of knockoffs, but I really want to try this brush. It's so like pretty and chic looking, and I feel like even if I don't use it as like a foundation brush, I could use it as like, you know, a bronzer or something, you know, in the summertime when I pop a shoulder out or something. So anyways, then there was another questionable item, and this is by Mally, I believe, and this seems very intriguing. So this is the Firming Belly Cream. Now a lot of you guys actually had this in your surveys that you sent me. I know guys, I'm a little behind on making my survey videos. I'm sorry. I will definitely work to do better. But this has a retail value of $49, and actually the reviews, if you see the pictures, it's pretty amazing looking. So I'm like, I wouldn't be mad if I saw that in my Lux or what have you, like add-ons, pop-up. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I think that was kind of all I wanted to talk about, but anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts as far as the Lux goes. I feel like, I just feel like they're doing an amazing job and stepping up their game even more. You know what I mean? I also want to know, what are some brands that you would like to see in 2021? Some of you guys tell me like Pat McGrath, and I'm like, yes, I want to see some more Hourglass. I don't know. Of course, Natasha Denona. I wouldn't be mad about seeing some Natasha Denona. So many different brands, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below of brands you'd like to see at Boxycharm. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys. Like I said, check my description box as well as my comment section. I'll have a link if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm. Any coupon codes I'll have down below for y'all. My top is from Torrid. All my makeup I will have linked down below for you guys as well. And I think that's all. I feel like I'm a little rusty, but people have been bebopping in and out and standing right behind my camera, so you know how it is. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.